I'm Fred Simmons Jr. from SMG Motoring. We are here outside SEMA 2019 at Factory 5 Racing's booth. This is a Factory 5 35 truck kit that we turned into this masterpiece. It is a LS3 with a Procharger, and of course Speedhut gauges inside, keeping an eye on all the important things for us. So, built this truck for Chris and Pam, and we had Speedhut do the custom gauges for us. Came out great. So we're able to surprise Chris and Pam with a little custom logo. She's a nurse, and the logo we put in the center of the gauges means something to her, and we're happy to do it and glad Speedhut could pull it all off for us. That Procharger is sort of the heart of the whole thing, giving us all the power we need to get this thing moving. About 800 horsepower on 10.5 pounds of boost, backed by a 4L65 automatic transmission and some sticky Nitto tires to get this thing around corners and keep it all hooked up. So these trucks are kits. You can buy them directly from Factory 5. The Speedhut gauges are an upgraded option with that icon cluster. So you can build these in your garage very simply. You can keep them real basic. You can kind of go over the top like this. The best part about it, the Speedhut gauges go right in the dashboard, keep everything under control and monitored. The icon cluster we love because it's a nice compact little unit. It has everything inside that one cluster, keeps everything monitored and under control, especially when you get a big power plant like this. They can get anything customized and done for you just the way you want it. And it adds a really nice touch to any interior, whether it's a Factory 5 or any other custom vehicle.